Paolo, first of all, congratulations on the victory and the performance, and 2 goals for yourself. How are you feeling afterwards?
I'm happy to score the 2 goals. Like, it was a team effort. So, I think we did play really well. And like I said, it was a team performance. Everyone did their job, so massive congratulations.
Would you class yourself as a goal-scoring midfielder now?
No. Like, I'm just happy. I could help the team to score. Like,
It's been a very positive week with a couple of really strong performances. Is the team morale quite high at the moment?
Yeah. We all buzzing in the dressing room. Like, I'm just happy we win the games, and I just hope we keep improving, so we can be at the top 6.
Are you looking forward to the next game now?
Then? Yeah. It's a live game, yeah.
Yes, live game, yeah. Another goal for you, maybe?
Yeah, maybe we'll see.
Well, congratulations.
I know.
Thank you.
Cheers, thank you.